Hi students, this is Neelam. Today I have created a short story to explain you the term probability. The story is very interesting and simple. So the story is, it was a warm summer afternoon and little Rana was playing in the courtyard of her grandmother's house. While playing she saw something beneath the bushes. When she went near it was the cap. And the cap says I'm magical and there are 10 marbles. You close your eyes and pick one marble. If you get the golden one, then your day is going to be magical. Lana got so thrilled, she closed her eyes and picked one marble. With a closed fist, she ran towards her grandmother with excitement. Now, Rana asked her grandmom, what are the chances of the golden marble? Grandmom says, total marbles were 10 with one golden, so the chances are 1 upon 10. So, how grandmom calculated the chances of a golden marble? The formula is favorable marble upon total number of marbles. Since golden marble is 1 only, so it is 1 over total number of marbles are 10, so 1 over 10. And when you find it in percentage, you are going to get 10%. Now Rana asked her grandmom, like, what are the chances of a blue marble? Grandmom says it is the same. Favorable marble upon total number of marbles. Since blue marbles are 2, so it is 2 over 10. And when you find it in percentage, it is going to be 20%. Now Rana opened her fist and she found that it was the golden marble. She got so thrilled because chances were very few. And thereafter she spent her day happily. I hope the term probability is clear to you. Probability means how likely an event is. Now we'll see the probability of green marble. Like if you try to draw a green marble, then what is the probability? Since green marbles are 4, so it is 4 over 10. And when you find it in percentage, percentage means you multiply it by 100. So you will get 40%. Now see the probability of red marble. It is 3 over 10 because there are 3 marbles and 10 is the total number of marbles. And when you find in percentage, it will give you 30%. Okay, now see one thing different. Let's say you try to draw a marble which is not green in color. It means it could be a red marble or a blue marble or a golden one. So how you will find the probability of not green? You can take 1 minus probability of green. There are two ways, and another way is 1 minus probability of green. So if you subtract probability of green from 1, you will get 6 over 10. And when you find in percentage, it is 60%. And the second method is you count the number of balls which are not green in color. So if you count, it is 3 red, 2 blue, and 1 golden. So it is also 6 by 10. Okay. Now, probability always lies between 0 and 1. Probability of 0 indicates that the event is impossible. It will never happen. And probability of 1 indicates that the event is certain. It will happen for sure. Now, first we'll see the probability of 0, examples of probability of 0. For example, you are trying to draw a white marble from the hat. You know that there is no white marble, and so this event will never happen. So such events are known as impossible event. So here drawing a white marble from the hat, the probability is 0 here. Now let's see one more example where the probability is 0. Let's say you're trying to roll 7 on a six-sided die. So when you roll a die, you will get these outcomes: 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 or 6. 7 will never come because it's a six-sided die. So this event is also an impossible event. So probability here is 0. Well, now we have seen what are impossible events. Now see the examples of certain events. Okay, if it is Monday today, then tomorrow it's going to be Tuesday for sure. So it is an example of certain event where probability is 1. Sun rising in the east, sun will rise in the east only. So it is also an example of certain event where probability is 1. Now what about the event whose probability lies between 0 and 1 by 2? Or we can say whose probability is near to 0. These are known as unlikely event. The happening of such event is low because their probability is close to 0. They might happen sometime, but the probability will be very low. We'll take one example. Okay, again take the cases of marble. In this case also, the probability of golden marble is 1 upon 10. And when we find in percentage, it is 10%. So if you see the probability is less than 50%. So happening of drawing a golden marble is also very low. So this comes under unlikely events. Now we will talk about the event whose probability is more than 50%, or the event whose probability lies between 1 by 2 and 1. Okay, such events are known as likely event. Why? Because their probability is close to 1. So happening of such event is quite high. Let's take one example. Let's say you roll a die and you expect a number less than 6. So happening of such event is quite high. When you roll a die, you will most probably you will get a number less than 6. So this is an example of likely event. I hope the term probability is clear to you. Today we covered only basic concepts of probability. In my next session, I shall be covering what are events, what are sample space, what are equally likely events, and what are random experiments in detail and with examples. Till then, take care and bye bye.